We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can reset this ARLO Pro camera. So if you would like to factory reset the camera itself rather than its power, well, not the powerhouse but the power hub, you'll need to first take the camera out of its compartment, which you can do by holding this button here, push it in, or well, not holding but rather pressing and pushing it in. As you will see now, the camera is going to pop out. Yep. Now just take it out with your fingers, like so. Take it out of the compartment. Here you'll find this little tiny sync button. Now, in order to factory reset your camera, you will need to press and hold this button for about 15 seconds or so until the camera LED light will will indicate that the reset went successfully. So now let's press and hold this button for exactly 50 seconds. I will even set a timer on my phone. Well, so I didn't have a need to hold it for 15 seconds apparently, because the amber LED light already notified us that the factory reset went successfully. And once you also see the amber light, the orange light rather than blue one, in your case that also means that the camera has been reset to its factory default preferences and settings successfully. In my particular case, it took about 10 seconds of holding this button, but you just press and hold it until you simply see the amber light. And now the camera is factory reset, all brand new and ready to be paired with, well, phone, app and its power hub. Anyway, as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.